Is Smash Party running a bit slow, or do you want to crank up the graphics for a better experience? Let me show you how to adjust the quality settings in a snap. Hey everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change quality in Smash Party. So without any further ado, let's get started. Start by opening the Smash Party app on your device and ensure you're logged in. Once you're on the home screen, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. In the settings menu, select the quality option that best suits your device, usually options like low, medium or high. If your device struggles to run the game smoothly, go for low. For top-notch visuals, select high. After choosing your preferred quality, the game might restart or update the visuals immediately. And that's it, you've successfully adjusted the quality in Smash Party for the best performance or visuals. Thanks for watching Make Gaming Easy. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment down if you have any questions or feedback. And if you're new, subscribe and stay updated for the future videos.